How to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app. Then once you're here, you just need to go to the Reels section. And here you can choose any Reels that you want to send on WhatsApp. Example, I'm gonna send this fish right here. To send this reel on WhatsApp, you need to click the send icon on the right corner. Then click the share button. And here you can find the WhatsApp. As you can see, I can see it right here in the front. But if you can find it, just scroll here until you find it. So next thing you wanna do is to click the WhatsApp. And then choose one of your contacts you wanna send. Example, I'm gonna send it to myself. And then click send. And there you go. Now you know how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.